On the debt limit package, I know the president did a pretty thorough rebuttal in the Rose Garden of the various proposals that have been brought out there, but there is an emerging thought today among House Republicans that repealing the Inflation Reduction Act has to be part of this debt limit package. So I wanted to get the White House's impression of that offer.
So let's be clear what MAGA attacks on the Inflation Reduction Act would mean for American families. I'm going to lay this out for you. And I kind of talked about it a little bit, but this has a little bit of a fuller layout. So offshore tens of thousands of manufacturing jobs, including in districts many of these members actually represent. So they're doing their job there, I see. Send investments in supply chains back to China. Raise costs for prescription drugs, insulin, and home utility bills. Remember, that's kind of the core of what the Inflation Reduction Act and what you've heard us say over and over. It will hurt American energy independence, protect wealthy tax cheats, and make it harder to get refunds from the IRS. Increase the deficit in the name of special interests like big pharma and billionaires, because as we know, the Inflation Reduction Act actually helps in reducing the deficit. And so this is what they would be doing if MAGA Republicans get their way. This is what the attacks lay out and what they would be repealing as well. These really key, critical, important issues that matter to the American people. And guess what? This is an unpopular agenda that the Americans do not support. They don't support this. So why would they go against what majority of the Americans want to do? And this is going to hurt their own district, hurt them and the Americans and their constituents in their own district.